Hey, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and visiting with me today. Did everybody have a good time at Super Bowl? Watching it yesterday? Well, we did, and I am so excited that the Kansas City Chiefs won. We love Andy Reid, so it was about time. It was a good game, and I hope you guys had a great weekend too. So, in addition to the fun Super Bowl weekend, I went to a team meeting with the bigger group that I'm a part of, which is the Stampaholic team. And we do a lot of swaps and cards and exchanging of ideas. It's wonderful. So I've got a really pretty card to share with you today. And this is featuring the stamp set Forever Blossoms. This is in the mini catalog. This also comes with a set of matching dies. And these are called the Cherry Blossom dies. And I don't know why that went dark again like that. Huh. No? Okay. Did that help? I don't know. I don't know why it did that. I'm sorry, you guys. Hopefully it'll be okay. In any event, this is the Cherry Blossoms die that coordinates with the Forever Blossoms. Now, this can all be purchased as a part of the Parisian suite. There's 2 stamp sets. Lots of goodness in it. I will share that with you, but for today's project, we're using Forever Blossoms, and I'm using this stamp set that says Forever and Always. Forever and Always. Let me pop that one out of here. Okay, so I'll give you all of the product numbers and all that kind of good stuff as we come to those. And I'm just going to throw this on a little block here. Okay, so we're going to start off with cardstock. And I am using today the Lovely Lipstick. This was a 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock cut at 5.5. And then you simply fold that in half as well. Easy peasy. And I don't have my tape runner, so I'm going to have to use my Mambo ATG. I'm at my scrapbooking desk. This is where I do all of my videotaping and things. So I have things on that desk, and then I come to this desk, and I don't understand why this gets light and dark. So my apologies, you guys. I'm going to keep moving forward here, though. All right, I've got a piece of metallic, our silver metallic. I'm just going to grab this to show you our foil paper comes in 12 by 12 sheets. This is the gold. I'm using the silver, though, for this one. I've got a piece of Whisper white cardstock. This is going to go on the inside, so let's just put that in there right now. Sometimes I leave the inside just blank, and that's fine to write on too. And other times I like to put the piece of Whisper White in there. So that's what I'm going to do with this. I am also using, this is our embossing folders. It's the Absolutely Argyle from the Gulf, I believe, suite. And it is so cool. I love it. Who doesn't love Argyle, right? Okay, so I'm going to adhere this to the front of my card now, and I did a lot of prep work ahead of time because I didn't want to spend too much time coloring and all that stuff to bore you guys. I have a scratch piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I've got our Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm going to stamp Always and Forever. And I'm going to kind of do it to the, you want to leave enough room so you can use our punch to, you know, have a right amount spaced around it. I'm going to use our punch. That's our pretty label punch. And I'm going to just set this off to the side for a minute. Actually, this piece that I just punched, I am going to adhere so I don't lose it like I have before to my silver metallic piece. Just like so. Okay, so I'm going to set these things over here to the side. I've gone ahead and I already punched and I cut out with my die. This is the die. The pretty stamp from the set. This beautiful stamp set. It is so gorgeous. I am telling you, they have completely rocked it on this. I love this catalog. I used the light and the dark lovely lipstick. And I've also used the Granny Apple Green, dark and the light. These are our alcohol inks. They're our stamping blends and they're wonderful. So I'm just going to finish this little flower here. And I want to mention too, I got this idea from my dear friend and fellow Stampy sister, Chris W. She was at the meeting and this was the card that she had presented. So we all got to make it and I loved it. I loved it. And I was so happy because I had this set too. And so it was all good. But you're just going to go along and, you know, highlight, add some low lights, just give it a little pretty variation. And then if you want to go back over, you can blend. And thus the name Stampin' Blends. I know, right? Genius. But they are wonderful. And I do have quite a few of these. I also, you know, I was a long time Copic marker. And I love those too. However, they don't have all the same matching colors. So, you know, then I get in trouble because I want my, you know, lipstick pink to be perfectly matched to my lipstick pink and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm going to add some pop dots to the back of my pretty flower. And this is super simple, you guys. And it's so pretty. She's so good at coming up with really pretty cards. And that's part of the fun. And if you haven't looked into the $99 special right now, well, it's $99 for the Stampin' Up starter kit. And not only that, you get to pick, I don't have it with me right now, but you also get, in addition to picking $129 worth of free products, you get the little chopping paper trimmer, which is super adorable. You get a 6x6 paper designer series paper pad that has all of the designer series paper, the Parisian, oh gosh, Best Dressed, which is so cute. Anyways, you get all this, plus you get to pick $129 worth of all of the stamp sets and product that you want for 99 bucks. You can't beat it. It's just that good. Okay, so I am going to also add some pop dots to the back of my sentiment. And this card is almost done, you guys. It is super duper quick. Super quick. I wish I had my little pokey tool. I do have one, but it's not my Stampin' Up one, because I want to add some of the beautiful rhinestones that are in the Parisian bundle. Now, I have a Parisian class coming up, so stay tuned because we are doing some uber cool projects, and I want to show that to you because it's just that, it's so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just kind of laying this out where I want this all to go. And I think that looks good. So I'm going to place my sentiment down here on the left side, or the right side down a bit. And then I'm going to come in with this beautiful cherry blossom. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Gorgeous. Okay, well, we're going to make it even prettier. And I am going to come in with some of our beautiful little rhinestones and add a touch of bling because they're just that pretty. It's just that pretty. These are gorgeous. It's a champagne color. Oh gosh, it just, ooh, they are just spectacular. Spectacular. And again, these come from the bundle, the Parisian bundle. So I would take a look at that. I got it. I'm so glad I did. We also were in Paris earlier, October last year. And look at the bling. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So there you have it. There is the other card. Thank you so much to my friend Chris for sharing her wonderful idea. I just love it so much. And yeah, you can find all of this over on my shopping page on thehappystamper.com. Just click the shop 24/7. And these products will be found in our mini catalog 2020. And make sure you take advantage of getting all the free products that you'll get. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, great big hugs from me to you as always. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. That way I'll know. And yeah, leave a comment down below, guys. I'll have links in the description box to everything. And I love to chat with you guys. So I hope you leave a comment. All right. Take care. Have a great day and have a great February. Bye, guys.